Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an enter page on Shopify. For example, I created an enter page earlier. You can see right here. So this is how it looks. So you can see right there, once someone visits my Shopify store, they can sign up to my SMS list right here. Now to do this, all you will need to do, once you have created your Shopify account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you can select online store. After you have selected online store, you will automatically be redirected to the themes page and you're going to tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, I want you to tap right where you see home page at the top and you're going to simply scroll down and select password. After selecting password, you will be redirected to the password page and you can customize the password page just like what you do any page, and typically your password page would look just like this. Now to start making changes to it, you can tap on the section that you would like to edit. So for example, let's say you would like to change the background of the page. You can select the page, then you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on select image, or you could choose explore free image and you could choose from any one of the free images on Shopify. So let's say for example this image, then we'll tap on select in the bottom left hand corner. After you have added the image, from there you can see other editing options. So you can also change the color scheme and you can also change the layout for mobile. And if we were to go back, you can also change the message. So instead of it saying opening soon, you could change that to coming soon if you want. So you could do that right there. So let me do that for example sake. You can change that if you want. And you can also change the heading size. So instead of it being medium, you could change it to large or you could change it to small. You can see there are numerous editing options that you can choose from. You can also change the text below it and you can tap on email form. Unfortunately, we would not be able to customize the email form. And if you would like to add another section, you can do that. So you could tap on add section and from here you can add featured collections if you have collections added. You can also add image banner or video, or you can add an email sign up. And you may be wondering how I was able to add the SMS form collector. Well, to do this, all you need to do is simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you want to go back. Once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on add apps, then you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. After selecting Shopify App Store, from here you're going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're going to select SMS marketing. After selecting SMS marketing, the app that I recommend you use is Yotpo email marketing and you're going to install this app. And by the way, with Yotpo email and SMS marketing, you will be able to send your first 10,000 emails for free, and they also offer a quite affordable price for SMS marketing, as you can see right there. So you're going to tap on install. Once it has been installed, you'll tap on open and you're going to be redirected to the Yotpo dashboard. Once you're on the Yotpo dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, select audience. Then from there you can see different collection tools that you can choose from. You can either select their checkout or pop-up option or their spin the win option. But what I recommend you do is, instead of using one of these options, you're going to simply select their embedded form option. So to select their embedded form option, you will simply tap right here to change it. And once you're on embedded form, as you can see right here, you would tap on set up. Then you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can edit it. So whether you like to change the background color, the text that is currently there, or you want to add or remove a field, you can do that, or make a field mandatory, you can do that. Then once you're finished, you can tap on next, and from here you could edit the success page form by tapping on text. you could change that. Once you have finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, then select Publish once more. Once it has been published, you can see Saving. After it has been saved, you will see this pop-up appear. And all you'll need to do is close the pop-up. So we are going to tap on Exit, or you could set up your automated workflow. So you can see right here, once a customer or a new subscriber is confirmed, you can see the chain reaction that happens. If you would like to add a step, you can do that. Or if you'd like to remove a step, you can also do that. So that is how you'll be able to set it up. So what I want you to do next, once you're finished doing that, you're going to go back into your Shopify dashboard. Once on your Shopify dashboard, you're going to tap on Online Store once more. Then you're going to tap on Customize. After you have tapped on Customize, we want to go back onto the password page. So we'll select Home Page, tap on Password. Then you're going to tap on Add Section from the left-hand menu option. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the SMS bump embedded form. If you don't see it, which happens sometime, I would recommend that you tap on Password Footer. Just tap on it randomly and then select Add Section and it will pop up. Then you're just going to tap on SMS bump embedded form. After you have selected that, you won't be able to see the embedded form as you can see right there until you have tapped on Save in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Save, you can see how the form looks right there. And that's it. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option right now, tap on the three dots, then tap on View, you will be redirected to this page. And you may be wondering, is this the page that customers will see? Well, no, this is not the page customers see once there is a password on your Shopify store. Instead of seeing this page, they'll automatically see the page that we had created earlier, the password page that we have just created. This is the page that they're going to be seeing. So you can see it right here. So if you were to copy your Shopify URL and paste it in a new browser, you'll realize that this is the page that customers see. And to remove your password, all you'll need to do once on your Shopify admin page once more, if we were to go back, you want to tap on Online Store from the left-hand menu option, then select Preferences, then scroll down, and once you are signed up to a paid plan, you will be able to remove the password. But at the moment, you'll need to share the password with persons for them to sign in, which is why it is a good idea to create the SMS form collector, as you'll be able to start collecting SMS or email before you have even started selling on Shopify. So this is a good way to create a coming soon page. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.